welcome to the workshop. Today we're diving into a tool that's quickly becoming a staple in my workshop, the Dremel 8260. I've been putting this multifaceted tool through its paces for more than a year, and trust me, I've amassed a wealth of insights I can't wait to share with you. Now, before we kick things off, full disclosure, Dremel did provide me with this tool to try out. However, rest assured, all of the opinions you're about to hear are completely my own. All right, let's get this open. Good packaging often tells you something about the care a company puts into its products, and I have to say, Dremel nails it in this department. From the moment you open the box, it's clear they've thought about the user experience. Inside you'll find an easy speed click cutting wheels, a mandrel, a storage bag, and a handy quick start guide. Honestly, they've packed everything in you'll need to hit the ground running with your next project. If you're finding this useful so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more in-depth reviews like this one. Now let's get our hands on the Dremel 8260 itself. The first thing that will strike you is its remarkable lightness. Believe me, this is no minor detail. It's a game changer when you're elbows deep in a multi-hour project. Its ergonomic design isn't just for looks, it's engineered for comfort. You'll experience significantly less hand fatigue, which is a godsend for those marathon sessions that demand your undivided focus and precision. Okay, on to the nitty-gritty. How powerful is this thing? The brushless motor isn't just a feature, it's a revolution. Compared to earlier models, the 8260 packs a solid 20% extra punch in the power department. The moment you turn this tool on, that added boost isn't just numbers on a spec sheet, you can genuinely feel the extra kick. Another standout feature that's sure to impress is the Dremel app. This isn't just some flashy add-on, it's genuinely impactful. The app offers real-time metrics, speed guidelines tailored for different materials, and key advice to keep your tool from overheating. Battery life is often the Achilles heel of power tools, but the Dremel 8260 sidesteps the issue entirely with its 12-volt max 3Ah lithium-ion battery. This isn't your average battery, it significantly outperforms older models. I've put this tool through its paces in long sessions, and the battery endurance is nothing short of remarkable. Now let's put it to the test. I've got this piece of steel here, and with the 20% increase in cutting speed that this model promises, it should slice through this like butter. See, impressive, isn't it? Finally, we can't overlook its adaptability. The Dremel 8260 plays nicely with all the Dremel multi-tool accessories, effectively making it a jack of all trades for your projects. From grinding and cutting to sanding, this multi-tool is a one-stop solution. So there we have it, the Dremel 8260. At a price point of £159, it offers a great balance of power, user-friendliness and versatility. Considering all the features and benefits, I'd say it's a worthy investment for anyone serious about their projects. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've got any questions or want to just share your experiences, feel free to drop a comment below. Now, before I wrap up, a quick heads up for Dremel newcomers or for those thinking about making the 8260 your next buy. My next video will guide you through accessory attachments and kickstart your first project. So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Also, if you're interested in any of the items I've used in this project, you'll find all the links in the description below. Love you.